So we'll start now the CDS views. CDS views are not started. Last class.
No, sir.
Not started till now, CDS view. Okay. So I'll share my screen.
So recording is not approved.
Yeah, you can send now the request. You see my screen, right? So did anyone of you tried at least to create CDS view? Do you know anyone of you? CDS view? How to create the CDS view? Hmm? At least you have created as of now till now at least one CDS view earlier maybe, not part of our class. Or what we know about the CDS views? You can hear me, right? Or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is that we understood about the CDS view? What is we understood the CDS view? Just concept. Leave about the practical, how, where you do on. What is we understood CDS view? Because complete feature or currently also the CDS view only SAP going as a one of the base data modeling. What is it exactly? Hmm?
Previously we used OpenSQL, now we use CDS view in native SQL. In interpreter here we are not using. This is the inbuilt concept. So in the database, in the CDS view, we can create.
Your voice not very clear, Ganesh. Instead of OpenSQL, we are going for CDS view, or what exactly we are trying to say? What is CDS view? Purpose. How do we do is different? What is use, purpose? Or data modeling. Where we extract the data from either different tables or different existing existing DB views or CDS view. This is very important. Or CDS view. What is data modeling? What could be the meaning of data modeling?
Simplify the code.
Mhm.
Simplify the code.
Data modeling is nothing but data extraction, data queries only, all OpenSQL statements only. CDS views. CDS views like this. This is CDS views. Once you write a code in the CDS view, you can use this in ABAP programs. ABAP program. Same CDS view, you can use in ABAP program 1. ABAP program 2. ABAP program 3. Like this, you can use in multiple places. This is one purpose. Reusable select statements, basically. You can write a OpenSQL statements on this one here. And what is the other views purpose? In the BEX, I think they call it BEX analyzer. Reporting can be done. Reporting can be done here. Reporting can be done on the CDS view for analytical purpose. Analytical purpose. This is one application now. Application means purpose. So other purpose is you can use this CDS view to build the Fiori applications. These Fiori applications will be built through concepts. One is UI5 programming language. Either UI5 you can build Fiori applications, or you can use a wrap. Either this one or this one you can use, but both for this one is base is the data source is for CDS view. This works as I said is the data source. To tell a very good terminology, CDS views are data source. Okay. So we'll create one CDS view quickly. Okay. Important points here is CDS views. Views must be created only in Eclipse, not in SAP GUI. But we can see the with CDS view in GUI. It's a very important point. They will ask me many times in the interview. CDS views must be created only in the Eclipse, not in GUI, not in GUI. But we can see the CDS view in GUI. This is very important interview point. Okay, so let us do it. This one I showed you, right, last class? How to connect system, I showed you it or not? How to connect the backend system. Hello?
No,
This is the flow. This is Eclipse. This is Eclipse here. Through Eclipse, you connect to the SAP S/4HANA backend system. Through Eclipse. Okay. How to create the package also I not showed you. In last class, I have not showed you in the Eclipse earlier some class. No? Okay. Hmm?
no, sir.
And where you write the code is, there is a one more window perspective. In the Eclipse, a ABAP perspective. In ABAP perspective, we will write the code for ABAP. This is important here, Eclipse. Go to Eclipse. Here you should choose the perspective, open perspective, other ABAP perspective here. You have the ABAP here. Once you connect that one, you should create a project to connect system. Click on ABAP project. So once you click on ABAP project, you will get this option for SAP GUI backend system to connect. Choose this, click on next. This is the you are you are connecting the backend S/4HANA system. Click on next. You should give the client number of HANA system. You should give this system 400 client. Same user ID and password. What you connect to the GUI. Client number, username, password. Okay, finished now. Now what happened is this is the flow. So through the Eclipse, now you connect to SAP S4HANA backend SAP system here. This is only development environment only. Eclipse is only on development environment. Eclipse is the development environment. What is the meaning of development environment? What is development environment?
Coding.
Coding, yes. So we do all above applications code will write in the development environment. See, now the system is connected. Okay. Now you can create a package here. Expand this one. Right click. So now you understood it how to connect. I'll remove the one instance not required here. This two is not required. Both same only. Okay. Now what I do is you lost the password here. I think I had to remove this one as well. Delete. Okay. Now I'll create new ABAP project. New connection. Take system direction. Click on next. Right here. And password is now SAP system is connected through the Eclipse here. Right. You can create a package here. Right click. Create new ABAP package. Okay. You can give his HANA 11th July HANA package. HANA programs. Okay. Click on. You can choose this one. It comes automatically as a favorite package here. Click on next. You can give here SAP. Sorry, home component should be home here. Click on next. Finish here. Okay, now here you can see in the favorite package here. Here. Here you can create the CDSV so program so table also you can create, but table and all is not a GUI based. You should create. You should not click on create and all. Here. Now right click, create new. Suppose you want to create a new ABAP program. Click on new other repository program, ABAP program. Click on next. So you can write a new ABAP program. Click on next. Finish here. Now this is your ABAP editor. syntax, everything is same only. Only thing is here is not a GUI. Are you getting here what I'm trying to say? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Here, what we can write is we can write, for example, parameters p underscore mtrt type mara-mtrt. Last class I took 1 or 2 programs. I took the new ABAP syntax, right? I took some new ABAP syntax, right? I can write here, select star from Mara into table. Now there is no need of stripes begin off and off. So this will take care of automatically. What the alternate symbol? Anyone knows? What is the purpose of alternate symbol? Why I am giving here?
Modern uh,
Hmm?
modern syntax to declaration.
But why we need at the rate symbol? Just because of syntax we are using, or what? That exact purpose?
See, SQL statement telling it,
Hmm?
telling that SQL statement.
To differentiate the database related fields and your program objects. IT underscore Mara is related to program, not to database. That's why. Why data we are using word?
Declaration for
So we
area.
are declaring the internal table dynamically here now. What is the internal table structure now? How many fields will come to IT underscore Mara?
All the fields.
All the fields, because we are giving all star. It's the new way of calling. Right here. This is the printing concept here. Okay, think of what is the CL demo output? What is CL demo output here?
Used for display the data.
Now, what is it? It is method or class or what is that? What is CL underscore demo underscore output?
Class.
Class name. Better open the system parallelly. You should do parallelly also. At least you should do or you should check in system. What is display underscore data? What is the value? Check yourself all these things. Check, open the system. What is display underscore data and what is value? What is display underscore data? What is display underscore data? Open all of your system. First open the CL demo output class in ST24. Or display underscore data.
Method name to display data.
To display the data. What is value?
Interpreted value.
Value is what is that value? Value. Right. So you can see this one. I think you can double click, it will not go here. So you can open this class in the GUI. Oh, it is going here. Double click, it will go to here. This is the class. Or you can open this class in SC24 also. This class you can open in SC24 also. Go to SAP system here. SC24 here. Class name. CLD mode. This is the method here. And here display data, right? Display or display underscore data we are using here. Display underscore data. Go to here. Here you can go here. Display underscore data. Where the display underscore data. Check here. Method will be there. Display underscore data here. Double click here. Then you can see the value is the one parameter. You can find here. Or click on go to class method definition. You can find here. Value. Okay. Now if we execute, we'll get execute now. Click on execution, run up ABAP application. First you have to activate here. There is any syntax check, you can do it here. This is syntax check. This is activation. And program is run as ABAP application. So I'll give the material type here. And this is the output. This is the CLO demo output. So now you have to practice the new ABAP syntax. I think I will give some things, or you can also explore as to what are the new ABAP syntax. You have to practically, you have to do parallel, you have to practice. Okay. right here, new ABAP, you can find all new ABAP coding code snippets you can find here. Okay, go one by one here. Inline data regression, complete new ABAP syntax, everything you can find here. You, you practice all these things, just copy paste and execute only. You understood yourself. If anything you have not understood, you can put it in the group. Okay. Hello? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you share the link?
Yes, yes, yes. All ABAP new concepts. Not only new ABAP syntax, even CDS view also. Okay, na? Here everything you can find. New ABAP syntax series very orderly he has given. We go to, for example, CDS views here. See CDS views very clearly will mention. Everything you can just copy paste and execute only. Okay. So I'll show you one CDS view how to create quickly. Okay, na? How to create the CDS views? Right click, package name, click on new, other ABAP repository object, data definition. Data definition here. Click on next, right here. First CDS view. CDS view. View for material data. Click on next. Next. Here it lost the template, which template you want to use. By default, it will go to the define view, but choose define view entity. This is the latest one. Click on finish now. Now you can write the code here. Okay. All these things you try to export yourself. Okay. This is called as the annotations. Annotations are nothing but for like a metadata, data about the data. For that purpose, the annotation will be given. A very great concept that SAP has come up with. This only lot of all new things are building on these annotations. Okay, you try to explore all this. Go Google, ChatGPT, what is it? What? Okay, here we can create a view now. Here, define view entity with a set from. Say suppose I'll join two tables here. From Mara as a, okay, inner join Marcy as P on A dot mATNR equal to P dot mATNR. Now you select the fields here. Here you can give key field mATNR as material number, comma, key field box as plant. After as what we are giving? This is alias name. Say material type. material type as material type, material group, MATKL as material group. That's all now. See here, why this error is coming? Think and tell me. Because you are not giving the alias name here. It's not any Q. So here should give alias here. Okay. Here also B dot alias. Right. Here also A dot empty add because first table. Here also A dot here. Check syntax now. Right. Activate. You can execute directly here also, run as a web application here. See the data here. This is the output of the your CDS view. So this is not the main purpose of CDS view. We don't use it only in a web program. So sorry, in the Eclipse, you are going to use this in a web program. So we'll write a web program. So go to program. I can write the program in the GUI also. I can write here. Uses. You can write here. Click on create. CDS view. Extracting the data from CDS views. Type you can write here, write a select statement. Select star from CDS view. CDS view name. Take the CDS view name here. Connects good. Into table @data ID underscore Mara underscore Mercy. If you want to display this one, right now you should use the same CL demo output. Here underscore demo underscore out. Right, you can give ID underscore Mara underscore Mercy here. Now this is the data output of CDS view. Check syntax, activate, execute. This CDS view output. This is the alias name you give out here. Now this CDS view you can use in multiple programs. So you can use in the different programs. You can use this CDS view now, program 1, program 2, program 3 like this, reusable. Okay. Hello?
Yes.
I gave already long time back in our group as well. You have to, I will give this now. CDS view. Practice all these CDS views on what I'm giving. See, all these are self-explanatory. Okay, no? You can copy paste these CDS views or you can try yourself understood. Then I will explain concept. Okay, no? Hello? Stop recording, Ganesh.